gosh. Welcome back, everybody. So it's fun stuff for me. Neville says he needs science, but I actually like science. So we have two scientific experiments to try out this morning. First up is walking water. All right, the apparatus. So I have paper towels, plastic cup, water, food coloring. Them say we must read the instructions. But as according to this, them say we must just shove in the water with the different
So where's the instructions on the screen?
And to the screen? I don't see it.
If Jody Dodie would move out of the way, then I could read it. All right,
so
so you just tell me what
just
to do.
put water in every other cup.
Water in every other
Oh, they
cup.
have a video. That's on the reading instruction.
Water in every other cup. That is very simple.
And then put
1 cup. 2 cup. 3 cup. What we trying to do, by the way?
We're gonna watch and see what happens with the water. So
wait, no. What you doing?
Put a little. Them give me a list of the colors to put in there. So I just add in the colors to the water, Nibs. Can I go ahead and do that? Okay.
Plenty or just a tubes?
Tubes. Cause coloring a whole heap of color.
Yeah.
Red.
Little bit more water.
Yeah, she said a little bit more water.
You want to tell me?
All right. You are the water man. I'll do the color man.
More? Want to know what half mean?
All right, 3/4.
Pour a little hot water. This is not hot water either.
Oh, the water must hot? Well, if it no work, I know our fault. What? But Lord, me can know I know colors. Yellow.
Hold on, it's two scientists right here, you know. You're confused.
All right, you know. Blue.
You go on.
Me do the blue? Okay.
Yeah?
And then red again at the end.
What we trying to
We are
achieve,
going to watch what happens. The name of it is walking water. Think about it. What do you think is going to happen, Nels?
If I didn't know, I wouldn't ask the question, you know.
I'm just asking you to exercise your brain a little.
Why I must exercise my brain? Yes, it is that hard.
It's not that
What
hard.
happened now?
All right. So we must cut the strips. The strips is... Oh, we cut it. Long way, sir? Tear it? Oh. And fold it? And cut it in half like this. Okay. And then we're going to shove one end into the arm. All right, you cut this, darling. Let me not take over.
Cut it up the middle?
Yeah, cut
no,
it
I
into
don't
the
mind
middle.
if you take over, you know.
Oh, they give me... So we must put more water in all of the cups?
I am not one of those people who feel says it's me must do it. As a matter of fact, I feel it's me mustn't do it. More water in these?
Yes, sir. Chops. 3/4. And then I must stick one to the empty one.
In this though? In this though?
No. Make sure the right thing, man.
So?
Oh, see the little boy showing us how to do it there. We must fold it and juke it from one side.
You're not juking anything, man. So it must be close then.
Right. And put this one over here, so.
Wait, no.
Sorry.
All right, go now.
Go now?
Yeah.
Okay, put this here and
Yeah.
put this here.
And then what now, brother?
And take this one and put another. Cut again. Cut again.
Cut again.
Cut again. And then we take this one.
Rastaman must cut it right down the middle.
Right down the middle.
What do you mean?
Ja. And then cut it too long. Oh. Alright, I can tear it, or you just have to put a slice in it.
Cut it?
Yeah, mine may cut my fingernail. Alright. And then shove this one over here, so.
So that's supposed to go.
Look at what's happening.
It will take forever to reach here.
This is not my experiment. I'm just following instructions. Cut a piece of this, please. And mine, you cut me. And then put... So it must go? Yes. Don't bawl out, I'm just asking. Thank you. And then cut again.
Okay, so the water's supposed to come up here. But huh?
Yeah, man.
Then we're going to the empty thing. Wait,
well, that's what,
see this one. See this one you have fly.
The blue trunk, maybe. We need one more.
Cut again?
Yeah. Quick time. And then make her go set the other one and come back and look at this.
Set what?
There are another one. We have to set the other one. Shove it down in the water. Okay. See to move, Nev. See to move. It's a move.
Yeah, but the show done 8:30.
You think at 8:30 now?
One more.
All right. You know, you could have cut the paper for and make it look faster.
I want to see the end result, what him have. Then what we do now? We're coming over here?
Yeah, we're going to set up the
Well,
next
let's
one.
go over here. Skittles.
Taste the rainbow.
I thought you was going to say taste the Skittles.
Who says taste the Skittles? You don't know you don't know the thing. You don't know the Skittles thing.
So what we must do now?
All right, we must put.
Move what again now? Move this. What
Says
else?
only we must put onto the plate.
And do what? And then what you do?
Cook it in also.
In the middle?
Huh? 1-1. All right, let me get rid of some of them for you. So I get rid of some of them for you.
Pour the water in the middle now.
Let me say much. All right. Eat out some never. Go on through. It must touch the edge of the Skittles. Okay.
And then what's supposed to
Look
happen?
more. It must touch. Them never say flood it.
I'm in the middle, but it can't touch if it's just right there.
No water not touching those,
That's
you know.
what I'm doing, but the water not touching over
Look
here.
at water there, son. Ned Fred, Jingle Bells, put circle water over there. See, it's starting to happen there. All right, you that. All right, come back to the next experiment. Boy, this water is slow. I think the water was supposed to be warmer than this. And then it woulda did. See, evolution don't happen over. it took a while. Ooh, look at the rainbow on the plate. You want some Skittles, lad? It's happening, it's happening. Come and look at the plate. Look, 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 Jody. It's pretty. So all of it is going to go to the mixer. This is something that needed warm water. The producer salt we up. It needed warm water, and the water are cold.
All right, folks. We're going to news in 5.
So why them have to come back to me as soon as me tip this Skittles?